So I'll give this a go as well, since there's so many videos on YouTube how to do this. Actually, I'll see if I can make it really basic. For some reason you take off this, I'm not too sure why, but yeah, okay, that's all. Just got there in the nick of time, eh? The day before it was slightly like this. Now look at it. So there's one around the back, 14mm socket. You need the extension, I suppose. No extension. Loosen that one off. So just push pause. Yeah. Of course, it ain't half noisy around here. Oh, it's got a bit of tension there. Loosen it off. It's pretty loose now. Okay, is that bit? So there's your 12mm bolt. So that you're going to be on next, because this is the opposite way from that one. You're going to be bringing this towards you. Not quite. Maybe it's a half, maybe it's rounded, I think. One hand on this. It wasn't very tight at all. One-handed fucking mechanic. There we go. That's loose. That's that part. So 12, 14. That's 12 as well. So this is a slightly different setup from what I've seen on the internet, on the YouTube. The belt was sort of going that way. This one's heading down there like that. There's the two pulleys that it's on. Air conditioning compressor. Your main pulley wheel from the engine. So what is this doing? That should be loosening it, so I don't need that anymore. Extremely horny cat in the background. So that goes down, so it just gets more. Oh, that cat's got the hots for its father, which is insane. Stupid animals. So it doesn't really want to come off too easily, not with one hand anyway. It's going to come off. Give it a little bit more, see what happens. Alright, that's not one I want to come off too easily from the looks of things. It's a little gap that's got to get through, right? See that little gap down there? Probably not, but see that tiny little gap? I've got to get that off the other side and film at the same time. So that's that. I haven't done this before, so this is all, yeah, fucking, could be a big mistake. Looks pretty straightforward, you know, probably because it is, but I'm glad I got that fucking thing on. That's toast. Now, have they given me the right belt? This was $20, and the year is 2022, and I'm in New Zealand. It's $20. Took a day and a half to arrive by courier. Let's see if this is right. So looking at the two belts, here's the old one, here's the new one. It's got its own shape going on, but it is going to be the same size. It's just the wrong shape, right? You can see the old one here cracking. Rubber rot. Time does that. Hot, cold, hot, cold, hot, cold. 1996 Toyota Camry. Very reliable little cars. They go and they go and they go, and then they go poof up, and then she's all over. Okay, how am I going to get this on? Not with one hand, so I'm going to push pause. So it sits there nicely, so you can see how I'm going to tuck this belt down between those two bottom pulley wheels. It's going to be fidgety. Get past this one first. Easier said than done. Past that one. It's down there. Now to get past the other one. This is going to be tricky because I can't get my hand in there. Oh no, this is going to be the hard part. And ouch, I'm going to get around the other one somehow. So I have to go down, looks like I do. I'll get extra. Oh, I fucking still can't see anything. Where am I? No, here we are. Okay. Oh no, I'm miles off from reaching that. I just gotta try and get around that fucking bottom pulley wheel somehow. Without wrecking it. Get it off there first. Maybe I'll get it on that one first and then try and turn it sideways. Squeeze it down the gap. It keeps wanting to straighten back out again, so that's going to be a bit of a cunt. Can't do much when you can't fucking get your hands in there. Anyway. This is where it pays to watch a lot of my Guyver episodes. I've got a little stick here to try and give me a bit of reach. And if I get this to tilt, I'm sorry. Oh shit. Oh, you prick. Which way do I come from this side? Yeah, probably. Yeah. Come from the side. Get more reach this way. There we go. Poke that around. Oops, someone's gonna have one. Right. 8 minutes, okay. So that looks like that's lined up. And there we go. I said, there we go. How come it's not fucking work? Appear to be the right size. So it's more adjustment. Got any more adjustment? Must be surely. Yes, of course there is. It's not going to be the wrong belt because you tell them what the registration is. They can go on the fucking right one. Hey, what gives? Look at that. think it was a car, mate. Vehicle. Fancy that on the road. Chances of a million. There's not very good brains in this country, especially from the native. Saying that I'm a native and I'm doing this. And I'm not. Okay, leaving. You're fucking reading my video, you big mouth. Big mouth hungry! Hungry for brain cells. So there we are. Peeping. Bing! Okay. Now there's plenty of adjustment. That's your adjustment there. You can always get covered in dirt and never touch anything with that sort of thing. Now, make sure everything's lined up. What on earth is in between it? With the grass and shit that it probably doesn't take much to upset his balance. So now, just do everything in reverse, I suppose. Just tighten everything up. Change that direction. Push the boards. What the hell, I've got a room. Usual case with cars, isn't it? Oh, fuck, is this even? Seems like it's getting tight already. Oh, I was doing the wrong one. I thought it was. Doing the wrong one, mate. See, it's this one here. Now, which way is this going? Ouch, my back. Now, is that going? Cross-threading or anything stupid? That belt will eventually get tight. What's going on here? Oh my God, crackers. Seen better things. It's going alright. See that belt moving, tension going up, it. See the side there. Okay. Jesus Christ. Bright light! Bright light! My way, bright light! Yeah, it is, you can see it moving. Tension in there. Still loose. A little bit more. Apparently the right tension is around about a quarter of an inch, so I can get a bit more than that, right? Otherwise it'll run and then it'll kill your belt and you'll be back here doing it again. Get closer. Talk to you when you're fucking working on your cars. It's like, dude, fuck off, bro. You make me forget what I'm doing. It's getting the middle of the belt, right? Well, it's probably pretty close. Let's talk a bit more just to be an idiot. Okay. Okay. Ah, fucking my back. Tighten up this one, which goes the other way because it's facing the other way. Oh, what's going on there? Must be going the wrong way, eh? The thread should be getting longer as it comes out. See the thread sticking out? Should be getting longer. If it's going the right way, it means it's tightening up. And it is. Don't know what the top setting is on that. Haven't got one anyway, so. Hopefully everything is done right. Now you don't want to bump that thing and that coming out because you get a nice little clock on the head, right? And the red stuff will come out. Hopefully that's tight enough. Hopefully it is. Alright. Got the battery terminal back on. Don't know why that was taken off. Maybe if the pulley wheels move, it's not good for something. I'm doing it again. Terminal back on. Just really need to see this. Even know how to do it. Yeah, so I'll pause on that. I said I'll pause on that. There we go. Nothing blowing up, nothing weird happening. All the power of the vehicle went past.